prophet. That's a man of God. At that point in time, he's not my friend. And then he said yesterday by the word of the Lord, Philippians 4:19. I went home. I received it. And then I got home. I told my wife, I told the car dealer to look for a great car to buy for my wife. So I said to my wife, baby, did you get the picture that they sent? Because I want you to vet it. If it's something you like, I'll trust God to get the funds. And because of social media, I can't go into details. It's not a cheap car. Because my wife is not a cheap woman. This woman here pays the price. So it was her birthday a few days ago. We loved and celebrated her, but I said the celebration is not done. My family pays a huge price, a huge one. So I told her how much it cost. She said it cost so much. Then I remember that the man of God had said in 24 hours you get an email. How many of you remember that word? Now, 2 major companies collect our royalties, our music royalties. And while I was listening to the testimonies in the van bringing us, 2 of the companies at the same time, it has never happened, sent us their highest royalties yet on an email. Now, you may not understand this. This company has been collecting royalties for us since 2012. Today is the highest single fund they've sent to me. And I showed my wife, I said, your car has come. Can I prophesy to somebody here? As you thank God, the God of Koinonia, who has not forgotten us, you better don't take this time for granted. There is a portal, there is a glory in this place. And as you sing this song, that grace is here. Baba, we thank you. Oh. We thank you. Oh. We thank